Okay, so today I'm at Hoover Reservoir, and I put in at the Baldridge, B-A-L-D-R-I-D-G-E, I believe, boat ramp, just a small little boat ramp for small boats. Hoover is power limited anyway, so you only have pontoons and small fishing boats. So at any rate, I put in there, which is halfway between Oxbow boat ramp and the Twin Bridges boat ramp. It's actually kind of across the lake from Twin Bridges, and I'm actually paddling back into the Twin Bridges cove right now towards the boat ramp back here. But I'm going to try to come down. I'm going to do a lap around. There's an island in the middle of the cove back here. A loop around that, and then I'm going to head back north and do some paddling up near Oxbow and then back to my car. So I'm going to do a big loop is the plan. But lots of paddlers, lots of fishers in and out today, so weather's beautiful, about 80 degrees or so. So gonna get some mileage in. So here we go. So I've done the two little coves in the bigger Twin Bridges cove. So I've gone under both of the two bridges, headed back out now to the main area by the boat launch, the big island in the middle of the cove. And then I'm going to head north out the main part of the lake, go under another bridge, crosses over the middle of the lake, and route around over by the Oxbow boat ramp. So, beautiful day. Great to be out. home stretch here, and just getting back to the boat ramp. Making the last little turn here, but that will be just about 6 miles paddled. Oh, it's a little rougher on this side into the wind coming from the south. Oh. Anyway, about 6 miles. I didn't do as much of around Oxbow as I had planned, but water's high. You can see that in some of the video. We've had a lot of rain this past week, so rivers are running high, and I think I just saw they had to rescue 3 kayakers out of the river that not that this lake feeds, but the one that I believe Allen Creek feeds. So water is dangerous. It's still a little cold. It's not that cold, but it's cold. I haven't checked the temp lately, but I'm going to guess maybe 50 degrees-ish, 52 degrees. This particular lake's deep, so I think it stays a little colder longer. As I said at the beginning, this is a horsepower limited lake, so a little bit cleaner lake is what I would say. My take on this particular boat ramp, first time I've launched from here, I don't know that I'll do it again. It's just not, I like either Twin Bridges or Oxbow better over here. At least those are my 2 preferences and my go-tos, especially with paddle boards. I will use those 2 a lot because both of them have pretty calm, protected from the wind sort of areas that pretty calm water. So, boy, it's choppy, and I'm the ocean from the dock here. So, at any rate, good paddle, great day to be out. I planned to get out yesterday with a group of people and paddle a different section and hike to a waterfall of a reservoir that is not far, but I didn't make it. It just ran out of time. Couldn't get to them by the time they were launching, so hope to get that one in here shortly. But hey, another day outside.